Hi there, and welcome to a Paybox Timers YouTube video. Today, we will be demonstrating that it can accept 4 payment options. The first one being a credit card, and through your mobile app, as you can see, you can enter your credit card number and pay for electricity. You can sell prepaid codes to your tenants or customers at a hotel, motel, or student living residence. Our machine accepts both American quarters and Canadian loonies and toonies, along with metal tokens. Our machines are equipped to accept all the payment options at the same time. For example, if you were to pay with an American quarter, you can also make a payment with the prepaid codes or a credit card in the same transaction. You can technically buy 20 minutes of a coin, 20 minutes on a prepaid code gift card, and 20 minutes using your credit card. So in the end, you would have 60 minutes of time. The application to use your credit cards can be found by scanning the QR code on the box. Once you have done so, you can charge any amount to the machine. The machine does not require Wi-Fi or internet access. You are simply to connect your mobile device via Bluetooth to the machine. Once it is connected, your money will be transferred over to the machine and the application will disconnect and allow the next customer to be able to use the machine. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed.